Hi friends, welcome back to a new video. This image sent by Rohit and I'm gonna edit with the free features in Lightroom and Snapseed. So let's get started. First I'm gonna color grade this image with color mix tool. In the red color, increasing the saturation to 16 and the luminance to 30. In the orange color, decreasing the hue minus 30 and adding saturation plus 10 and adding luminance plus 36. In yellow color, decreasing maximum hue and adding luminance a little. In the green color, decreasing maximum hue. In the next color aqua, adding hue plus 40. And in the blue color, decreasing hue minus 30. Decreasing the saturation minus 70. Adding luminance a little. In the last color magenta, decreasing the hue minus 56, adding luminance 60. Now go to the color menu, decreasing the warmth minus 2 and the tint minus 6, vibrance minus 20 and saturation plus 10. Now select the light menu, increasing the exposure value 0.30 and the contrast plus 20. Shadows 50, whites minus 100, blacks plus 10. Now select the curve, making a point in the shadows, midtones and the highlight. Adjusting the curve and hitting the done button. Now select the effect menu, adding texture plus 30, clarity minus 10 and the vignette value minus 18, midpoint 30, feather 89 and the roughness minus 8. Now export and open the image in Snapseed. In this app I am gonna retouch the image with the help of selective filter. Selecting face and adjusting the brightness, contrast, saturation and structure. Also doing same works in other areas. The final look is here. Thanks for watching.